Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Well, it's not so sunny right now. We're in hurricane prep mode. Hurricane prep mode, guys. Hurricane Delta might be coming this way, so we'll see if we're gonna evacuate or not. Depends on if it shifts to the east some more, and then we'll decide. Because this is a bad boy, so we ain't gonna stay here. Neighbor's getting a new roof right before the hurricane. Probably gonna get it all torn up and have to get another new roof. But today I have a couple of packages that I've been waiting for a long time, and they're finally here, and I'm gonna open them up so we could see them together. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, for future uploads, like, share, comment. And yeah, that's it. So let's get to it. We're gonna change up Max a little, get him ready for, what's it, Scary Fast? Yeah, I got a rematch with Stunner Reese. I'm coming for you. Maybe. You know, it's a manual. He has an automatic, and he has a red eye now, so it's probably gonna be even faster. But let's get to the video and show you guys what it is. You think you saw it? All right, let's get to it. They're finally here. Custom made 3-piece drag race wheels. As you can see, I got the little front skinnies. These tires, I think the Mickey Thompson tires in general are like, take forever to come in, 3-4 weeks. I bought these back before the pandemic even happened, so they're kind of hard to find right now. So these are, what are they? Haha, here they are. So these are 28 6/18s. And then, let me see what I got down here on the bottom. If I gotta, dang. Guess I'm gonna have to move these anyway, right? And then these are 305 45 17s. Guys, quit making all that noise over there. Trying to record a video here. Yeah, and then those are the wheels in the box. All right, let me go ahead and move some stuff around so I could get to show you guys the wheels. All right, guys, got these wheels from Biz at Triumph Performance Race Wheels. Performance Forged wheels. That's the only wheels I've ever ran on my car, custom made. I'm on my 3 or 4th set right now, and then this is gonna be my drag race setup. Usually with the welds, there's a long lead time, and then the weld is the same thing that everybody has, the black and the silver, but I wanted to make mine a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? So this is the first time I'm seeing the front runners. I ain't gonna lie, I already looked at the back wheels, but I hadn't seen the front wheels yet. I saved the front wheels just for you guys, okay? All right, let's get to it. Oh, saw that? I almost cut my foot off. Let me move my foot out the way. Be hard to drive a manual with one foot. All right, that's the first front runner. Let's see what it is. Anybody know what the color is yet? Any guesses? All right, world premiere. Ta-da! 18-inch front runner. I went with the Hemi Orange. This is actually the same color as the splitter. Yeah, I went with, what's it called, matte, like a gunmetal grayish, a lighter gunmetal grayish color, and I went with polished lips and any orange barrel. So that's what the fronts look like. I'm gonna put this back in here. There's two of them. I'll put this back in, and now we're gonna go and I'm gonna show you the back wheel. As I said, I already opened the box for the back wheel. And let me see what those look like in a 17 by 10 configuration. If you have a wide body, it'll be a 17 by 11 configuration. Hit up Biz at Triumph Forge Wheels. Tell them Mission Flyer sent you, and you get some awesome wheels at a good price. Depends on what your definition of a good price is. So I'm gonna put these up and I'm gonna show you the rear wheels. So I got the back stacked up. I'm gonna show you the rear wheels. Pretty excited. Can't wait to get these bad boys mounted up. See that? Look how wide that is. 17, I think these are 17 by 11s. They're really light. They're only about 20 something pounds. If I had a scale, I'd try and measure them. But that's what they are. I got the polished lip, gunmetal, and the orange barrel, Hemi orange. And it's also on the tires. I'm trying to get a show you guys. God dang it. Right here, you can see. Right here, I got it all. It's knurled there, and it's also knurled right here. And what that do, it helps with keeping the wheels from spinning on the rim. I'm not gonna make enough power in my manual to justify, or well, these are a good price too, but that I would need a bead lock. But that's them. They sure are pretty. So I'm gonna do some more work on the car, and then it's probably gonna be not till next week because a lot of people are in hurricane prep. So I doubt I'll get it mounted by then. So after next week, after the hurricane comes through, we see what it does. Then we'll get these mounted up and I'll try them on the car and I'll let you guys see. But yeah, that's them. Let me know what you guys think. I think they're pretty baller, but you know, it's my wheel, so of course I'm gonna think that. Alright guys, so that's the quick down and dirty video. Just wanted to show you guys the wheels. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And as I said, they are a 3-piece forged racing wheel. I just like to have the option, the capability of you know, modifying my car, modifying the wheels, everything. So as I said, as usual, if this is your first time as usual stopping by, hit that subscribe button down below, the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Comment, share, and like, thumbs up, and if I didn't say it, subscribe again. Thanks for watching the video. Until the next video, I'm gonna have a bunch of build videos coming up until the event. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women, buddy.